Hey, what's going on, guys? Making a quick video here about how to remove just junk off your kitchen table, whether it be from kids, whether it be from whatever, candle wax. We're talking about nasty, just nasty stuff. Let me briefly explain what this is. Now, I made a joke about this, but this is actually Goo Gone. I just put a P on there for a little joke I did for Instagram. But this is Goo Gone spray. I'll have it linked in the description box. And I have a table here. So 4th of July, I had some hot dog buns, and they are kind of cheaper with these like labels. Like this is literally the design label of the hot dog buns. Let me just show you in the fridge because I still have them in here. As you can see here, that's where the logo's literally ripped off because it was a little bit warm in the house. And unfortunately, I peeled it up and up came the label on my wood. I tried soap and water, I tried sponges. It will remove a little bit if you like really dig in your finger and rub it away. But then I actually had some, see this right here, a little bit of haze right here as well. And I'm like, okay, this needs to be taken care of. I do not want my wood table like this. So I just literally put a little bit on the little microfiber cloth here. I'll have microfiber cloths linked below in the description box below. But here, let me just show you here, start to finish. So let's just go ahead and shoot it a little bit right there. And then watch this. This is how awesome this stuff is right here. Okay, again, this is not coming off right there. I actually have a little bit of Goo Gone still over there. That's where I was working on. But you guys just saw right here, not coming off. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy here. And we're literally giving a little bit of elbow grease, but see how it's coming off there with the microfiber towel. Now, once this is removed with the microfiber towel, I will then, the directions say use some soap and water. We'll probably get the other side of the microfiber cloth wet with some soap and water, and we'll go ahead and lightly clean that because I don't want to ruin the finish of the wood with water. But look at how easily that's coming off. I'm very impressed. I was actually a little bit worried if that was gonna have to be removed with like a heat gun and ruin the finish. But let's go ahead and see where I messed it up earlier. Yeah, it's almost like, yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so let's just dry that off for kicks and giggles. Look at that little tarnish where I was using my finger last night. Look at that, completely gone. Let's go ahead and get that nice and dry here so we can see a little bit better. Look at that. This is just from my overhead lighting right there. Oh, very impressed, guys. Very impressed. Well, this product definitely lives up to its name. And again, sorry for my joke. This is Goo Gone with a G. I will have it linked in the description box below. Definitely a good product right there, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you with getting your furniture, table back, candle wax off, gum on the carpet, it says. I think it even has stickers and labels right there, all crayons, masking tape adhesive, tar bugs, glue on cars, goo mess. Anyway, I'll let you guys read some more reviews about it with that link in the description box below. You guys take care. We'll see you on the next video. Subscribe on your way out. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.